Hey, what's up guys, Andrew here, and in this video I unboxed the A03s and got some hidden features too. What's up guys, and in this video we unboxed the A03s by Astro. This is a nice nifty product, especially if you're a mobile device user on a regular basis, whether that's a Twitch or even your phone. This particular product is for mobile, PC, console, and the Mixamp. I'll link the Mixamp info in the description. But yeah, so this is the A03s by Astro Gaming, and of course we're familiar with their boxing. They usually have nice designs on their box, which is always fantastic. So what we have here, let's look at the box here. Go on this side there. Okay, so let's go here. So we have Tune for Gaming. This is durable aluminum housing, and then of course you have the built-in microphone for this device. Also we have, let's look over here, we have the dual driver technology here, controls for the microphone, replacement tips as it says here, tangle resistant cables. All right, and then we have the design here in the box. astrogaming.com is where you can find products for Astro Gaming. All right guys, so let's get to the unboxing here. So let's go ahead and open the box and see what we have inside. Right, look at that. All right, so let's look. See, we have the diagram here to show you how to set everything up. You can either put it in your laptop, a tablet, mobile device, gaming device, or a controller, and they show you all that there. The boxing and designs for Astro has always been fantastic. I gotta give it to them for that. And of course, I definitely want to say shout outs to Astro for sending this. They did send this to me, and if you guys are looking for like a holiday gift guide item, this would be perfect for that as well. So let's see what we have here. So we have the headsets there. We have the earbuds there. See if it's gonna fight with me here. Oh, it's fighting. Let's take this out. Okay, so this is what you're getting. You're getting the earbuds there. So we're gonna I'll take one out here so we can see that. Come on, don't fight, buddy. There we go. All right, so that's the earbud there. Very, very cool design. All right, so we're gonna come back to that before we wrap. I just want to see a couple of things. Earbuds there. We also have a case. All right, so we also have a case here. That's dope. The carrying case there. Okay, we have informationals there. There's the sticker. We have the replacements there for that. We have that. Back down here, informationals, and there you have it, folks. So we have the Astro A03s, the in-ear monitors. As I mentioned, I was going to come back to the earbuds themselves, so let's do that. Okay, I'm going to take them out of here. There we go. We can get a focus on that. There you go. There's the Astro logo on there. And a very dope design, guys. Also, I know you guys always say, hey, why don't these YouTubers do a voice check on these things? Well, you know what? I'm going to give you that in the next segment. All right, guys, a couple things I want to mention to you before we wrap this video. These things I believe are critical. So you can actually press the record button by using the plus or minus on the inline of the microphone. I think that's actually pretty dope that you can do that. The other thing I want to mention to you is I had to take off the case to put the 3.5mm jack on my phone. So you may have to do that. Wanted to mention that as well. Also the ear tips, I had to use the different ear tips than the one that originally came with the A03s, so I wanted to mention that as well. And last but not least, the audio that you heard at the beginning of the video was different than the audio that you're hearing now. Even though the audio is going to be compressed anyway, you're hearing the audio for the A03s right now, but for the beginning of the video, you were hearing the audio from the Onyx Aces by TronSmart, which is my wireless earbuds. I've been using those for a while. But yeah, so guys, I wanted to mention those to you because I believe those things are absolutely critical. And just let me know what you think about this unboxing and sound test in the description below. And what I'll do also is link a couple other videos that you can check out. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe.